Hey guys, happy Sunday. Well, if you're seeing this, it's Wednesday, December 2nd, but Vlogmas day 2. I am starting out the vlog again on the treadmill. I got about 9 minutes left on my walk, so if you missed yesterday's vlog, this is kind of my morning routine. I shared this yesterday on weekends. Sorry, I am shaking so bad. Okay. I just hit the safety button. Dang. I hate when I do that because then it starts all over. Luckily, I have this watch, so it's still tracking what I'm doing. All right. 9 minutes. That's what I get for trying to multitask. Alright. Okay. Back to what I was saying. Also getting rid of a pimple because of mac and cheese this week from Thanksgiving. But I just got this. I wanted to come on here because I just got this watch. It looks like an Apple Watch, but it's not. I got it off of Amazon. Came in the mail last night. So today is my first full day using it, so I thought I would include it in today's vlog. I'm supposed to be doing a gift guide today, I think. Actually, no, I'm not. I know what I'm supposed to be doing today. What I'm gonna have to film later for you guys today. So, anywho, getting my morning walk in. This is what I do, at least on the weekends, because max 30 is only Monday through Friday, and then there's like a 20-minute workout, like that's optional. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I should do it because it's actually a 20-minute, like what they call 20-minute pulse, and it's really, really nice. It's like the perfect little stretch slash booty challenge because he does some squats in there that are like, ooh, I felt that. So it's like a nice little workout. But anyway, that's what I like to do on the weekends. Get up, make my little pre-workout. I'll have to share the one that I've been using with you guys, and just get a walk in, clear my head, have a nice view out here. Then I'm gonna get showered and dressed, ready for the day, and then knock some things off my to-do list. So I've been off for like almost a week. Felt so good. So it's my first day back to work tomorrow. So I'm glad I have this watch because it's gonna be my alarm. I'm gonna put my phone in the bathroom, and that's hopefully gonna help me start getting up at 4:45 in the morning again. So anyway, more on that later. But yes, I'll be back. My arm hurts. All right, guys. I hope you can hear me because my phone likes to connect to my car sometimes. But I finally got myself together after my workout. I cleaned up the whole apartment, top to bottom. It feels really good. So it's nice to be going into this fresh work week after being on vacation with a clean apartment. Did a nice little blowout on my hair. And that's something I want to talk to you guys about because I haven't used my blow dryer probably in a month since you guys saw, and I've just been going heatless as much as possible, basically. So I'm going to talk about my hair and how I've been growing it out. It's been so nice. But I have to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna meal prep, so maybe I'll do a little grocery haul in this vlog. And I have to go to Target because I did clear out my like storage closet and go through all of my inventory for all my Christmas and holiday stuff, so I know exactly what I have and what I need. I did put up my tree, and my poor little pre-lit tree from last year, oh my gosh, if you watched VLOGMAS last year, that tree was brand new but came with some complications. It had a missing leg, part of the lights didn't work, and now only the bottom section of the lights work. So I'm really disappointed in that tree. I always get my trees from Target, and this has been the worst one. So I must have just didn't get a good one this year. But anywho, I need some more lights. I need some ornaments, and I need some hooks for my tree, so someone's driving by, so that was really awkward. But anyway, I'm gonna go to Target and then go get my groceries and get back in time to meal prep and then wind down for the night because I gotta work tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so that was my little grocery haul. It is now 7:43 p.m., so it's getting kind of late, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really productive. I got my ground turkey made and my couscous and quinoa. I actually mixed the two. And then I also have a sweet potato pie in the oven. I have a really special recipe, and I had some extra batter after Thanksgiving, and I refused to throw that away. So does AJ. So had to make my last sweet potato pie of the season. Showing you guys my fruit and my freezer. I've been stocking up on frozen fruits and veggies and just keeping that on hand, so I didn't have to buy a whole lot of vegetables this grocery run. I did get some fresh berries that I washed and have ready to go, so that's great to just grab for a snack. I chopped up my bell peppers and onions. This is a great hack for cooking because it's already chopped and ready to go. I normally don't eat dairy, but I have been craving some Greek yogurt, y'all, so I got some Greek yogurt. My favorite gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan tortillas. Those are so good. You guys have to try them. Got my salads and everything ready. I've been eating a lot. Well, AJ and I both have been eating a lot of salads, so we prep a thing of frozen chicken breasts because it's affordable and we go through a lot of it. So we bake usually one of those bags or put it in a crock pot a week and put that over I call it our everyday salad. It's a really simple recipe. This is a new addition to my kitchen, or our kitchen. It was the Thanksgiving menu, so that's what we had. And I'm going to now erase this, and this is the first week that I'm using this as just a board just to show what our meal prep is this week. Because it's after Thanksgiving, I wanted to keep it simple, did a lot of cooking, didn't stress out too much about like diet restrictions and things like that. I just knew that I probably need to give dairy a break as much as possible, so I'm not doing any cheese. I am having a little bit of that Greek yogurt, but other than that, everything else is pretty much dairy-free. Not crazy. I'm not like calorie counting like I told you guys in my life update video, but just, wanted to have some meals ready on hand that I wouldn't have to rely on eating out. And especially with VLOGMAS starting, it has been very helpful to have my meals already, thought of, ideas, and prepped for the week. So it's been such a big help for me not having to like cook every night and things like that. So here's me just writing everything out on the whiteboard, and this is really motivating too to just stay on track. Like, I do have food at home, the memes. I have food at home. No need to, we don't Grubhub or Uber Eats often. We'll usually like go out to eat, well, not in pandemic, but drive-through, curbside pickup. But yeah, this is really motivating. It just kind of helps you stay on track.
So love this. Got the board at Target. And lastly, before we wrap up today's vlog, wanted to show you guys my watch. This is my first full day using it. Got over 12,000 steps today, y'all. That includes my 3-mile walk and shopping today. So I went to Target. I think I went to like 3 stores today, so that was a lot. Shows my calories and so far what my weekly total is. Only this is the first day, so I'm actually going to be giving away one of these watches as the first week giveaway for Vlogmas. So if you made it this far in the video, comment below and let me know, because I want to send one of you guys one of these watches. I think it's so cool, and yeah, you guys can track like your different type of exercises. I've used it for yoga. It's awesome. So my treadmill workouts, walking, running, climbing, hiking, it has all of that. So I want to show you guys another setting or program on here. It's called Relax. This is so cool, you guys. So you can choose a 1 or 2 minute like meditation, and it just guides you. It's guided breathing, so not actual meditation, but it says, please calm down. How many guys need to hear that message? So it actually vibrates on your wrist, so you'll feel it on your wrist when it's telling you to inhale and exhale. So I love this. I think this is a great gift idea. I did get it off Amazon. It's pretty affordable, so that is going to be our first giveaway item. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.